Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to solve problem number 1535, find the winner of an array game. First we will see the explanation of the problem statement, then the logic on the code. Now let's dive into the solution. So in this problem we are given an array of distinct integers, then we have k consecutive rounds, right? So we need to pick two elements, for example 2 and 1. We need to compare which is greater. So here 2 is greater. So 2 won the first round. So the round will be based on the k, right? So here we have to win 2 times. If an integer win 2 times, we just have to return that integer, right? So here 2 has 1 for the first time. So we have 1 for the 2, right? Then we need to compare 2 and 3 now. So here 2 is no more the winner. 3 is the greater element, right? So 3 has won 1 time. So now we need to compare 3 and 5. We don't have to compare 3 with the previous elements. So between 3 and 5, 5 is the winner. So 3 is no more the winner. So we are going to have 1 for 5. That is 5 has won 1 time. Then we need to compare 5 and 4, right? Again 5 will be the winner and 5 has won 2 times. So we have to compare this wins with k. Since 5 has won 2 times and the k is also 2, we just have to return 5. So we have to return when the particular integer wins consecutively k rounds. Here for 2 consecutive rounds 5 has won. Right, this is a 2 consecutive comparisons. 5 has 1 in that both the comparisons. So why we are considering only 2? Because of k, right? K is only 2. So as soon as we find an integer reaches k, we just return that integer. That's it. We don't have to check for further elements, right? That's how the logic is. Now we will see the code. Before we code, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please like and subscribe. This will motivate me to upload more videos in future, and also check out my previous videos and keep supporting guys. So initially we are going to consider the first element as the winner. Then we are going to initialize wins as 0 at the start, right? So here we are going to write a for loop where we are going to start from the second value, that is the first index value, right? So we are going to compare that one with the current winner, that is the 0th index value that we have taken at the start. So if the current ith element is greater than the current winner, we are going to make the current winner as my current ith value, right? So then we are going to make the win as 1 for the current ith element, right? If the previously chosen current winner is still greater than the current ith element, we will be increasing the wins by 1, right? When the number of wins for the element has reached k, we're just going to return current winner, right? That's all the code is. Now we will run the code. As you guys see, it's pretty much efficient. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. This will motivate me to upload more videos in future. And also check out my previous videos. Keep supporting. Happy learning. Cheers guys.